Hey guys, welcome to my channel on UK Academy. In today's video, I will tell you a short description about HTML. So let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. It describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages and represented by tags. Hypermeaning. Hypertext is a text which is not constrained to be linear. Hypertext is a text which contains links to other texts. The term was coined by Ted Nelson around 1965. Text meaning. Text is a human readable sequences of a characters and the words they form that can be encoded into computer readable. In literary theory, a text is an object that can be read. Whether this object is a work of literature, a street sign, an arrangement of a building on a city block, or styles of clothing. It is a coherent set of signs that transmits some kind of an informative message. Markup language. A markup language is a computer language that uses text to define elements within a document. It is a human readable, meaning markup files contain standard words rather than typical programming syntax. Example of HTML. Open your system notepad like this. How to open notepad in a system. Write these markup on your notepad. Write and run. Now, example explained. The doc type HTML. Declaration defines this documents to be HTML5. The HTML elements is a root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title of a document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Thanks for watching and happy coding.